Welcome to Joan Butts Bridge. I'm Joan Butts, and I'd like to show you how to play a hand on my site. You're always seated south, and your name will appear in the south position. If you'd like to rotate and play the hand from any other direction, just click the direction, for example, north. If you click north, it'll say, do you want to redeal from the north seat? If you say yes, the hand will rotate and you'll see the north hand, but we'll leave it at south, so no. And you're going to now make a bid. The other bids are made by the robots. You only ever have to worry about the south hand. So when you choose to make a bid other than pass, you simply click across until you find the bid that you want to make and it's in the red square. Click one club. If you'd like hints on instead of hints off, click the hints off and it will suggest the next bid, which on this hand is one no trump. So we click the bar across to one no trump, and then that will be the bid that you're making, and that's the end of the hand. The lead is made, and then the dummy automatically appears, and you can take your time to think about how you'll play the hand. There's also, once you've got hints on, a suggestion of how you should play the hands. So my online school of bridge is a perfect place for you to play hundreds of hands, either lesson hands or random hands, and they'll all help you improve your bridge skills. Enjoy.